Hi guys, sharing to you the temple. Here you have to wash your hands so that you'll be clean. And here we go inside here. Let's check what's inside. This is the temple. Yeah, there are some umiyagi, 100 like that. Have some more inside. Yeah, if nobody's here, you can just bell that one. Look, it's inside. Yeah, let's go and try again to look back. Right inside this one. Konnichiwa. Then we have also this one. Now let's proceed to the other side. This one is the donation. I know. You pick one and then you buy one. This one. And then this one, it's 300. You have to buy this one. Lucky Charm. You have to buy this one and then you put it there. Also this one. You have to donate to 100 yen. It's inside. We cannot see what's inside. We cannot go. It's an emergency. It's their clinic. Yeah. They have hospital here. Maybe it's a massage. Here we have 300. You just pick one. A Lucky Charm. And then you pick again another one. It's a fish. And you have to pay, and there's another fish there. It's Lucky Charm. And then I'll show to you. Here you put the stuff here that you buy. Here you put them here, and then there's a letters. Show them. Like that. You hang it there. Right? So beautiful messages. And then the papers you got there. You can just tie it here. Look, the tie. You tie it here. The tie. Just tie your wishes. Bye. Thanks for watching.